on here? What is going on, guys? What is up for F100 World? CraigerCoClassic here. We've got, introduce yourself.
No, I built a lot of mud trucks back in the 90s, and
Yeah, come here.
so it's a 7
Brakes, what do you mean?
no, modern
Seatbelts?
safe. It has
I would be tempted as like if I was your friend to like just mess with you, but not at show.
I do with the wheels.
Makes sense. That's cool. Now I can tell it's
Yeah.
two front ends basically off a deuce and a half. So tell me about these tires real quick here. Now originally we saw they were like big, basically John Deere tractor type tires.
All these marks aren't from cars. That's from running around cornfields. There's been some controversy over the years with using used. Not really. It's just everything's been bulletproof.
It's a great grocery getter. I'll tell you what,
absolutely.
just haul some wood.